more than 700 migrants traveling on 4 different boats off the coast of Spain's Canary Islands have been rescued, Spanish authorities said Saturday. About 247 people were on one boat, 238 on another, and 254 refugees on 2 others, according to a report posted on social media platform X by the Canary Islands Official Emergency Services account on Saturday. On Thursday, the Spanish Interior Ministry announced that 30,075 migrants arrived by sea in the Canary Islands from January 1 to October 31, more than double the number who arrived in the same period in 2022.